Hi everyone, this is Oladiti Daya. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online in Nigeria in 2019. You see, making money online is easy when you have somebody that's already making money that can show you exactly what he's doing to get results. So that's why I've put together this video for you, so that you can go and watch it and you see exactly what is making us money in this video. You are going to see a 7-step no fail income system that you can use to generate at least 400,000 naira monthly. By following all these steps, you'll be able to make money for yourself. And the step is a kind of a 72 hours income generator. So you will need like 72 hours to set everything. Once you are able to set up everything and you implement what you are going to learn in this video, you'll be able to generate for yourself at least 400,000 naira monthly. A lot of our students are already making money with this system. It's a proven system, and why you need to watch this video and take action to get into this training program is because this is what is generating us a lot of money and a lot of income, and we are exposing all the secrets to you so that you also can take all these secrets, implement it, and you start generating at least 400,000 naira monthly. If this happen to you and it interests you, and you actually want to see results, not just doing trial by error online, you really want to make money online, you really want to lay your hands on a legit business that can actually make you money today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow, and next month, next year, something that is already working, and you can plug in into the system and make money for yourself. So click on the link in the description to this video so that you can get your hands on all the resources, all the step by step, everything you need to know to start making money online. So till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye and stay blessed.